Good morning students, this is your maths period and today we are going to start from question number 4 and your question number 4 is construct the following angles and verify by measuring by a protractor. आपको एंगल बनाना है, फॉर्म करना है, उसके बाद उसको प्रोटेक्टर से मेजर करना है एंड योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 75 डिग्री. सो बच्चों इसके लिए मैं पहले रफली स्केच बनाऊंगा कि आपको क्या करना है. आप एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, एक रे ड्रॉ करेंगे, इस पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएंगे. देन यू विल मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री, उसके बाद 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएंगे और ये 60 एंड 90 के बीच में जो एंगल है दैट इज अ गैपिंग ऑफ 30 डिग्री, इसको बाइसेक्ट कर देंगे. जब आप इसको बाइसेक्ट कर देंगे सो दैट इज अ एंगल. ये जो एंगल आपको मिलेगा ये 75 डिग्री का होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर प्रोसेस. फर्स्टली यू विल ड्रॉ a ray OA. Now taking O as a center, you place a semicircle like this. Okay, now this is a point B. Now taking B as a center, you make an arc on the semicircle like this. This is a point C, and now taking C as a center, you place an arc D. Okay, now next step is taking C and D as a center, you make an arc in the upward direction which will intersect each other at point E. Now join the intersection of these arcs. इन आर्क्स को ज्वाइन करने पे आपको ये एंगल 90 डिग्री का फॉर्म हो जाएगा. नाउ यू विल मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. दिस इज you will draw a straight line passing through from point C, that is an angle of 60 degree. Now you will bisect this angle. आप इस एंगल को बाइसेक्ट करेंगे. So students, this is your point C and this is your point. I am taking this F. Now taking C and F as a center, make an arc with the same radius. Okay, you will get such like this. Now join this point, that is P to O. This is the required angle and this is the angle of 75 degree. Okay, is it clear? Now your next question is 105 डिग्री. सो 105 के लिए बच्चों एक रफ स्केच हम लोग बनाएंगे. 105 के लिए आपको रे, फर्स्टली यू विल ड्रॉ अ रे, देन यू विल मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल ऑफ 120 डिग्री, देन यू विल बाइसेक्ट दिस एंगल. ओके, एंड दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ, दिस इज द एंगल ऑफ 105 डिग्री. सो स्टार्ट आवर प्रोसेस. दिस इज अ रे OA, taking O as a center, you make a semicircle such like this. Taking B as a center, you make two arcs C and D. Taking C as a center, make an arc in the upward direction. Taking D as a center, make an arc. This is the angle of 90 degree. Now join this second arc. This is the angle of 120 degree. Okay. Now we will bisect this angle. This is a point C D and I am taking this point. याद रखिएगा एंगल बाइसेक्ट करने के लिए जो पॉइंट है वो रे पे होना चाहिए. दैट इज द रे. सो दैट इज पॉइंट E. Now taking D and E as a center, make an arc in the upward direction like this and join the intersection of these two arcs. You will get this angle 105 degree. Is it clear? Okay, and your next question is 135 degree. 135 degree. So students, roughly sketch बनाएंगे. You will make an angle of, you will draw a semicircle. You will place three arcs, 1 2 3, and you will make an angle of 90 degree and join the third arc, means you will draw an angle of 180 degree. So you will get a straight line. आपको एक straight line मिलेगी. Now, after that you can bisect this angle P, that is the point P, and that is the point Q. You will bisect this angle. This is the angle of 135 degree. ये देखिए ये 135 होगा. So students, let us start our steps. Firstly, you will draw a ray OA. Now taking O as a center, O को center लेके you make a semicircle like this. That is a point B. Taking B as a center, you make an arc C and D. Now and E also, because you have to make an angle of 180 degrees. Now join this third arc. Means you will get a straight line, that is an angle of 180 degree. Now taking C and D as a center, you make an arc in the upward direction and you can draw an angle of 90 degree. Now I am taking this point, that is E, and this point, that is F. Taking E and F as a center, we will bisect this angle with the same radius. Taking E as a center, you place an arc like this, and taking F as a center, you place an arc like this and draw a line, a straight line. So this is the angle of 135 degree. Okay? यहाँ पे आपको जो एंगल फॉर्म करना है वो डार्क होना चाहिए and other lines should be dotted. Other lines आपको dotted बनानी है. So this was your fourth question, and your last question of this exercise is construct an equilateral triangle given its sides and justify its construction. So बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको एक equilateral triangle बनाना है. You know that in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. I am taking sides of equilateral triangle is equal to 6 units, 6 सेंटीमीटर. मैंने सपोज किया है इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल की साइड 6 सेंटीमीटर है. सो फर्स्टली यू विल ड्रॉ a line segment of 6 centimeter, that is AB. That is a 6 centimeter. Now taking a distance in your compass. Now taking this distance AB means 6 centimeter in your compass. Taking A as a center, you place an arc in the upward direction, and taking B as a center, you place an arc. Now join, you will get a point C. Now join AC and BC. This is the required equilateral triangle whose all the sides are 6 centimeter. Okay, is it clear? So students, now I think it's enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next exercise. So thank you class.